All right, kiddos, today we are doing page 174 and 180. And we have done these types of pages, at least this first one, a lot. So I'm not going to do a lot of clues on this one. We are proofreading for spelling. Okay, so it is only going to be your basic words. Okay, they don't usually use the challenge words down here, so you can cross that out. All right, and I don't see a title. Sometimes they like to hide one in the title, but there is no title. So just be careful and look for words that are not spelled correctly and you will be fine. So you might want to pause the video and then I'm going to talk a little bit about page 180. All right, on this page we're going to be talking about main idea. So when I read a paragraph, what is the paragraph mostly about? Okay, we're going to be thinking about main idea. Says good writers keep readers interested by keeping the details in each paragraph focused on the main idea. This writer deleted, that means he took out a sentence that did not support the main idea. So we're going to do this one together and then you're going to do a couple on your own, okay? So you want to read it. Usually the main idea comes in the first sentence, okay? So listen, lightning is caused by electric charges. Then I'm going to keep reading and there's going to be things that belong, that go along with that main idea and things that don't. Ice and raindrops move quickly in a storm cloud and create a charge at the bottom of the cloud. At the same time, an opposite charge is created on the ground. When sparks from the cloud meet sparks from the ground, they create a bolt of lightning. A tree hit by a bolt of lightning can sometimes survive. So the writer took out this sentence because it didn't really go with the rest of the paragraph. Okay, and so we already circled the main idea right here. They also wrote it down here. Okay, so your main idea is going to be in that first sentence. Okay, so when you get to have to write the main idea, you're really just looking back at your first sentence, okay? But they also want you to cross out a sentence that doesn't fit in the paragraph, okay? And on the paragraph we just read, it was at the end, but it's not at the end in the next two. So you got to find a sentence that doesn't go along with that first sentence or main idea, okay? And when they say write the main idea, you're writing the first sentence, okay? And then find that sentence that doesn't belong and just put a line right through it. See if you can find it. Be a detective. All right, have an awesome day, guys.